Truth our God, half truth our enemy, hard work our salvation, unity our goal, free speech our weapon, all one our soul, self-discipline this key to freedom, unity, love unites all one above, for we're all one, so when your fellow man you measure, take him at his best with that lever, lift him higher, overlook the rest, for we're all one or none. Whew. Hello Stardust, welcome back to Radical Raspberry, where we want radical things such as nice skin. Right now I'm wearing makeup so you can't really see the imperfections, but recently I've been having a really hard time with breakouts and dry skin and just issues of that sort. I mean, you can kind of see it, but it is covered up. And I really notice how that takes a toll on your confidence, and it makes you very self-conscious. I've tried so many products, it's unreal. It's probably bad that I've tried that amount of products, and it could possibly be damaging my skin even more. I've tried things like Clean and Clear, but that's like a cheaper drugstore brand, and it didn't really do much for me. And the toner like really stung my face. And then I tried Pixie, which is a very more so expensive brand, and they do have natural things like rose and aloe vera in it, and I did that, and at first it was really nice and I noticed a difference, more of a glow to my face, but I was still beginning to break out in a lot of areas, and again it was just very expensive to be buying that constantly. I started to use Proactive, and I've used that for 2 months, and I swear that it has made my skin worse. My skin has not been this bad in certain areas, and I know some of it is hormonal because it's mainly the chin. I want to start using natural products. Now the last and only time that I've ever made a natural DIY beauty product thing is when I made lip balm. You can check out that video. That was so much fun. That was probably a year ago, and I still have that lip balm I really loved, and I gave it to other people, and I remember my sister, she told me, she was like, that stuff is so good, my lips have never felt so smooth before. And that's when I kind of thought these natural products, that's where it's at, you know, Mother Earth knows what's good. She knows how to remedy all of these issues. I saw this website called Hello Glow, and they have amazing recipes on there I'm going to try out in this video, and I'm going to talk about the benefits of each of these products. So if you want to watch, be sure to watch, and we're going to learn about this natural skincare path together, you know. Would you believe I checked the box that said receive in the least amount of packages possible? Yeah, let's see what we got in here. There it is. Oh, great. This size was in that size box. Why? Why, Amazon? Aha! I got some pump bottles because I love to pump it louder. Pump it louder! This is what is heavy. We have the Castile Soap. This is gonna last me the rest of my life, to be honest. That was low-key sexual. When you put your finger in Shea Butter. Oh, it's just so smooth. Oh, whew, it's getting hot in here. You know that question that is always if you could jump into a pool of anything, what would it be? I now know my answer. It is Shea Butter. Myth that I hear that oils are bad for your skin because we have naturally producing oils on our skin, and then when we put oil on it, they say it's bad. So this is a common myth. Do a little more research into it like I did, and you will see that oils are actually really good for your skin. What they're going to do is they're going to lock in things like water and moisturizer, and they're going to keep out bacteria from your skin. Certain oils can actually help balance the level of oil that our skin naturally produces. The bigger issues occur when we try to overstrip oil from the skin. This will only lead to the skin producing more oil, leading to increased breakouts. That is the key point there, is when we're using products that are getting rid of our oil, that's going to cause our skin to continue to produce oil, which is then going to cause breakouts. If a month down the line I see that my skin is just breaking out even more, then I'm probably going to stop doing this and think that oils are not good for my skin. So it really just depends on how my skin is going to react to this. So you will have to stay tuned for that. I will have to stay tuned for that. Let's just think of me like the guinea pig for these natural products, and we will see how well they actually work. Definitely don't forget to thumbs up this video if you believe in the natural, simplistic ways of living, and comment down below, have you ever tried any natural products, like of any sort, even if they're store-bought? Like, let me know your reaction. I'm curious what you do for your skin. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what product intrigues you the most. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every month minimally about things to do with this radical holistic health approach. And I will see you next time, and as always, don't forget to think beyond, and peace. Too intoxicated. Time to do laundry now. Love being an adult.